Namaste and welcome back to Shivananda Yoga Life with Smita. In this video, I will demonstrate yoga for weight loss that will help lose the subcutaneous fat that is accumulated under the skin and the visceral fat that is accumulated around the internal organs. We begin by chanting Om together 3 times. Keep the eyes closed. Getting ready for the practice session. So keep your hands on the waist, separate your feet 5 to 6 inches apart and spring up on the toes. Keep going. Slowly release down the heels, release the arms. Now we'll do on the spot jogging on the toes. Or maybe just spring up on the toes, it's not jogging, spring up on the toes. Shake out the arms, shake out the hands. You can twist your hip also side to side. And relax. Remember, this is gentle yoga for weight loss. So any exercise that is not good for your body, please skip that. And also when you feel tired during the practice, make sure to take rest. Now place your hands on the waist, separate your legs 5 to 6 inches apart. Inhale, take the head back. Exhale, bring the chin down to the chest. Inhale, take the head back. Exhale, bring the chin to the chest. Inhale, take the head back. Exhale, bring the chin down. Inhale, center. Exhale, gently. Turn the head right. Inhale, center. Exhale, turn the head left. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Now, as you exhale, lower the head down towards the right shoulder. Hang your left arm loose and try to push the left shoulder down. Inhale back to the center. Let's do it for the other side. Hang your right arm loose. On the exhalation, bend the head down towards the left shoulder and push the right shoulder down. Inhale, slowly come up. Release the arms down. Now shrug the shoulders up. Inhale. With a jerk, exhale, bring the shoulders down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Make cup with your hands. Bend the elbows. Place the hands on the shoulders. Rotation to the shoulder joint, shoulder socket. So bring the elbows in front, joining the elbows together. Inhale, take the elbows up to the sides. Exhale, bring to the chest. One more time. Inhale, the elbows up to the sides. Exhale to the chest. Reverse the direction. Inhale, elbows to the sides. Take the elbows up. Exhaling, bring the elbows to the chest. One more time. Inhale, sideways, up. Exhale to the chest. And release the arms down. Stretching the arms in line with the shoulders. A gentle rotation few times to the shoulder socket. Make tiny circles. Change the direction. And slowly release the arms down. Now we'll do the rotation for right arm. Make fist around the thumb, right thumb, and start rotating your right arm in any direction 10 times. And anti-clockwise 10 times. Release the right arm down. Now for the left arm. Change the direction. And release. If you have any tension in the arms and the shoulders, just shake them out. Now bend the elbows and stretch the arms forward. Inhale, exhale, touch the hands to the shoulders. Inhale, stretch forward, exhale, inhale, exhale. Stretch the arms to the sides, inhale, bend the elbows, exhale, hands to the shoulders. Inhale, stretch, exhale, bend the elbows. Inhale, stretch, exhale, bend the elbows, and release the arms down. Now hold the opposite elbows and inhale, take the arms up in this way. Exhale to the chest. Let's do it a few times. Inhale up, exhale to the chest. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and release the arms. So you can do the repetition any number of times. If you feel that you are not feeling any work to the body, please increase the number of repetitions. This being a gentle yoga class, we are limiting the repetitions and also we have to limit the time. Now, stretch your arms forward, make fist around the thumbs, rotate your wrist. Few times in one direction and then the other direction. Release. Now stretch the right arm forward, pull the right hand towards the body. You can also use the left hand to move the fingers in. Now exhaling, bend the wrist and let the fingers point down. Please use your left hand this time and push the palm towards the body. Hold it and breathe. And release. Change the arm. Stretch the left arm forward, pull the fingers towards the body with palms facing forward. Now turn the hand down, palms facing towards the body. Keep pressing the hand in using your right hand. And slowly release. Just take 1 or 2 breaths. And now separate your feet a little wider, just a little wider than the shoulder width. Place your left hand on the hip, the waist region. Stretch the left arm nicely up. Exhale, bend down to the right. So remember to stretch the waist region right side to your best. If you like to bend the elbows with any health issue, don't worry. We'll do this 5 times. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. One last time. Inhale up, exhale down. Stay here, breathe. Feel a good stretch in the right side. You don't have to come down all the way. Just maintain a good stretch in the right side and then whatever you can do to bend the waist. Breathe. Inhale, slowly come up, release the arm down. Now place the right hand on the waist, take the left arm up. First stretch it up, pull it up. And on the exhalation, bend down to the right. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. And one more time. Pull up, inhale, exhale. Stretch the body, breathe and hold. Inhale, come up. Release the arm, exhale. Feet just shoulder width apart. Now support your hip and we rotate the hip joint. A few times in one direction. Make a big circle. And change the direction. Relax. Now, bring the feet a little closer. Bend the right knee towards the chest. Bring it down. Left knee towards the chest. Bring it down. Do it a couple of times. Right up, left up. Right knee up, left knee up. Right, left, right, left, right, left. One more time. Right, left, and bring it down. Now we'll rotate the knee and then take it sideways. So take it up, rotate it, move it to the side, bring it down. A few more times. Knee up, rotate, bring it down. Knee up, rotate to the right, bring the foot down. Knee up towards the chest, sideways and down. One more time. Up to the side, bring it down. For the left leg, bend the knee and move it to the left, bring it down. Knee up to the left, bring the foot down. Knee up to the left, bring the foot down. It's like imagine a chair and you're moving the knee across the chair and then you're bringing it down. Knee up, sideways, down. One more time, knee up to the side and bring it down. Now, bring the hands behind the head. So, we'll bend the knee and touch the knee and elbow to the right. So, bending the body down to the right and lifting the knee up towards the body. 5 times. One more time. Changing the side to the left. Bend the body. And now we'll try to touch the knee and the opposite elbow. So the right knee and the opposite left elbow. Change. And release. Relax. Now place your hands on the waist. Lift your right foot a little up. Rotate the right ankle a few times. One direction. And then change. Release the right foot down. The left side. Change the direction. And release. Now we'll raise the arms up, lift up on the toes and exhaling, bring the heels down, move the arms back. Let's do it a couple of times. Inhale, exhale. Keep going. After you're done at least 8 times, join your feet together, interlock your fingers, stretch the arms up and come up high on the toes. Hold the position, tuck the abdomen in, elbows should be straight, arms just a little behind the ears, head in the center, relax the face, feel a good pressure on the toes, keep the knees straight and breathe. And slowly exhale, bring the heels down, bring the arms down. Now separate your feet, shoulder width apart. Take the arms up, inhale. Exhale, bend to the right. Inhale up. Exhale, bend to the left. Keep the elbow straight. Inhale up. Exhale right. Inhale up. Exhale left. Inhale up. Exhale right. Inhale up. Exhale left. Inhale up. Exhale right. Inhale. Exhale left. Inhale up. Exhale right. Inhale up. Exhale left. Inhale up. Exhale right. Inhale up. Exhale left. Inhale up. Now interlock the hands. Stretch your arms up. Inhale. Exhale. Bend sideways to the right. Hold the posture and breathe. Keep the elbow straight. Inhale, come up. Exhale. Bend down to the left side. Hold the position. Feel a good stretch in the right this time. Breathe. Inhale, come up. Exhaling, bring the arms down. Stretch your arms forward, palms facing each other at shoulder level. Inhale. Exhale, swing your arms to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, swing all the way to the left. Inhale, keep going a few times. Exhaling right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Swing your body a few times. And now last time, let us hold the position. Breathe. Looking to the right. Right elbow should be straight and the left elbow bent. Arms have to be parallel. Inhale, come up, center. Exhale, twist your body to the left. Stay and breathe. Inhale, slowly come up. Exhale, bring the arms down. Take 3 to 4 breaths. Keep the eyes closed. Feel a good warm up in the body. Now we'll do one kriya that aids weight loss. That is called the Agnisar kriya. Let me first demonstrate and then you do the practice. So inhale and open the mouth to exhale the breath. Bend the knees, place the hands strongly pressing down on the knees. And then you're leaning the upper body a little forward. So it's not a squat, it's not a forward bend actually, it is just the upper body and the lower body at an angle. And after the exhalation, you will be moving the abdomen in and out, contracting and releasing without breathing, okay? So you will hold the breath outside the lungs. From the side, if you look at it, you can see me. So inhale, open the mouth, exhale, bend the knees, place the hands on the knees and move the abdomen. When you run out of breath, you can come up, take one breath and do the second round. So we'll do 3 rounds altogether. And you can do any number of contractions. If you have high blood pressure or if you are in your menstrual cycle, please either avoid it or do lesser number of repetitions. So let's do the practice 3 times. Inhale, open the mouth, exhale and begin. Inhale. Second round I'm doing. Open the mouth, exhale. For the third round, inhale. Open the mouth. Exhale. Start the practice. Slowly come up and relax. Keep the eyes closed. Get the breath to normal. Relax the body. Once the breath is normal, please sit down. We'll be doing the Kapalabhati practice. So sit with your back straight, hands on the knees, palms turned up. Join the index finger and the thumb together. The chin mudra. How do we do Kapalabhati? After the first inhalation, we contract the abdomen on the exhalation and release the abdomen when the inhalation takes place. Let's do a few times. Sit up with your back straight. Close your eyes. Inhale and begin. Exhale, 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 exhale. Keep going. Exhale, 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 relax. Keep the eyes closed. Relax the body. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let's do one more set of the Kapalabhati practice. Sit with your back straight. Inhale deeply and begin. Exhale, 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 relax. Eyes closed, take 2 breaths, relax the body. So you can do more number of contractions in Kapalabhati practice. Usually we do 3 rounds of Kapalabhati practice with 60, 75 and 90 contractions in the usual classes. But you listen to your body and do the practice as per your requirement. If you have high blood pressure, don't put too much pressure. Do a gentle practice of Kapalabhati or you can avoid it. Keep your eyes closed. Breathe. Now join the soles together for the butterfly pose, Baddha Konasana. Sit with your back straight. Bring the feet as close to the body as you can and move the knees. Close your eyes, keep the shoulders relaxed, chin parallel to the floor. Release the posture. Now cross the legs. Interlock your hands and stretch your arms up. Inhale. As you exhale, bend down to the right side. Bring the left hand down to the floor and stretch the left side in the lateral stretch. Feel a good stretch in the waist region and keep pushing the left knee down. Relax the right shoulder. Breathe. Inhale, come up. Exhale. Either release the arm down if you're tired or once again interlock the fingers. Inhale. exhale, bend the body down to the left. Push the right knee down, release the left hand down and take the right palm facing down. Stretch the right side. Breathe, relax, hold. You can also try bringing the left elbow down and feel a better stretch in the right side. Keep breathing. Inhale, come up. Release the arm, exhale. Now we'll move into the twist. We're doing it a couple of times and then we'll hold the posture. So stretch the arms forward as you inhale. Exhale, twist your body to the right. So place the left hand outside the right knee and the right hand behind near the tail. Twist your body to the right, look to the right. Inhale, stretch your arms forward. Exhale, twist your body to the left. Let's do it a couple of times. Inhale, stretch your arms. Exhale, twist right. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale. Exhale, left. Inhale. Exhale, right. Inhale. Exhale, left. Inhale. Exhale, right. This time let's hold for a couple of breaths. Inhale, back to the center. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, center. Release the arms, exhale. Now we sit in Vajrasana. Those who have troublesome knees, you can do the practice on chair. We are moving into Mandukasana. So sit up on your heels. Make fist around your thumbs. So first understand how we do the practice. Inhale, exhale. So as you exhale, you place the fist along the navel, push the abdomen in and pull it up. And then we extend the body forward without dropping the head down. Just stay here, keep pulling the elbows closer to the chest and we'll hold the breath outside the lungs. So those who have high blood pressure, you can come down and keep breathing or hold it for lesser time without feeling suffocated. Okay? You come up whenever you have to. So we'll do it 3 times. When you run out of the breath, you please come up, take one breath and then again go down. Let's begin. Inhale, make fist around the thumbs. Exhale, placing the fist along the navel. Bend your body, stretch forward. Move the elbows in towards the chest. Close your eyes. Feel a good contraction in the abdomen and stay without breathing, or you can breathe. Slowly come up at your own pace. Inhale, exhale, come down. Push the abdomen in and pull it up. Inhale, come up. On the exhalation, please go down. Mandukasana. Inhale, come up. Release the posture, exhale. Sit with your eyes closed. Breathe. Next, we'll move into the camel pose, Ushtrasana. So stand up on your knees. Come up on the knees. Keep the knees hip width apart. Now inhale, raise the right arm up. Exhale. Try to hold the right ankle with your right hand. So let me tell you, if you are not able to reach the ankle, you can keep the toes tucked in towards the body, and then you can reach the ankle. Or you can just hold your back, arch back, lower the hip back and push your hip forward. So whichever way you are comfortable, do the practice of Ustrasana in that way. So taking the right arm up, inhale, exhale, hold the right ankle. Inhale the left arm up, exhaling, hold the left ankle. Now lower the head back and push your hips forward and breathe. Slowly, inhale, come up. And now move into the cat pose. So first align the body, roughly the knees and the buttocks in one straight line and the wrist and the shoulders in one straight line. Inhale, push your hip back, arch the back, stretch your chin up. Exhaling, round the back, chin in towards the chest. Inhale, stretch, we'll do it a couple of times. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, round your back. Come back to the neutral position. Now from here, we'll kick the right leg back and take it up. Knee to the chest as the exhalation, forehead to the knee. Inhale, kick the leg up, take the chin up. 5 times. And relax the right knee down. Let's do it for the left side. Inhale, take the leg back and up, stretch your chin up. Exhale, knee towards the head, head towards the knee. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, knee to the chest. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, knee to the chest. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, one more time. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, bring the knee to the chest and bring the knee down. Now, lift your right knee up and rotate the right knee in a circle so that your hip gets some work done. A few times. And then change for the left. And relax. Now lie down on your abdomen. So I lie down in this way. Separate your legs apart. Put your forehead down. Get the hands lower down towards the waist. Now as you inhale, raise the head and chest. Lift the abdomen up. Straighten the arms. And breathe. Pushing the abdomen down. On the exhalation, twist your body to the right. Twist your waist region and try to reach your gaze to the left heel. Breathe. Inhale back to the center. Exhale. Twist your body to the left. Look to the right heel. Breathe. Come back to the center. Exhale. Bend the elbows. Bring the head down. Now join the legs together. Come up on the knees. Sit down and lie down on your back. Bring the knees to the chest. Hug the knees. Stretch your arms in line with the shoulders. We'll do some twisting to the spine. Inhale. Exhale. Lower the knees right, turn the head left. Inhale, come up. Exhale, knees left, head right. Inhale up. Exhale, knees right, head left. Inhale up. Exhale, knees left, head right. Inhale up. Exhale, knees right, head left. Inhale up. Exhale, knees left, head right. Inhale up, last time. Exhale, knees right, head left. Stay here and breathe. rotation into the abdomen and a complete exhalation. Inhale, come up to the center. Exhale, knees to the left, head to the right. Stay for a couple of breaths. Inhale, come up. Use your hands, hug the knees to the chest and press the back down. Now release the legs straight in front. Bring the arms under the body. Take the legs up and start moving your legs up and down. Keep the knees as straight as you can. And release the legs down. Once again, take the legs up and we'll open the legs apart and bring the legs together a few times. And slowly bring the legs down. Bend the knees, stay here, breathe. So it's, as I do this recording, it's evening time now and mosquitoes have started biting. Now stretch your legs forward. Take the right leg up in here. Let's do some rotations now. Rotate the right leg in any direction of your choice. I am doing it first towards the right. That will move it in anti-clockwise rotation. So 10 times in one direction. Changing the direction 10 times. Once you finish, release the leg down. Let's do it for the left side. Take the left leg up in here and start rotating in any one direction. Move it in a big circle all the way to the left. Changing the direction. Slowly release the leg down. Just relax for 2 breaths. And now tuck the hands under the head. Bend the knees, bring the knees to the chest and move your legs in cycling. A few times forward. And then change the direction, reverse it. And relax the legs down. Release the hands from under the head. Bring the arms again under the body. Take both the legs up and we'll rotate the legs clockwise 8 times. Those who have pain in the back can bend the knees and just focus on rotation in this way. When you feel, work on the back. And those who can, keep the knees straight and start the rotation. I am doing it 8 times today. You can change the number according to your requirement, the time availability. the body allows. Change the direction, please. And release the feet down. Keep the knees bent. Take 2 breaths. And then we get ready for the forward cycling with both legs together. So keeping the arms under the body. Bring the knees closer to the chest. Stretch the legs up. Inhale. Take the legs all the way forward. Bring them close to the mat. Bend the knees in to the chest. Let's do it 8 times. Half inhalation, half exhalation. Change the direction. Take the legs forward, take the legs up and bring the knees to the chest. Once you're done, please release the legs down and relax in Supta Baddha Konasana. A few breaths here. And now start moving your knees together. Take the knees down. You can keep the hands one on top of the other on the abdomen. Keep going. And relax. Supta Baddha Konasana. Next we are moving on to the boat pose. So stretch your legs forward. Take the arms over the head. As you inhale, raise the legs up, head up, chest up, come up. Keep the upper body and lower body at the same angle. Hold the position, breathe, tighten the abdomen. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release down. Take 2 breaths. We'll come up again. If you're ready, inhale, head up, chest up, legs up, arms up, come up, hold it. 8, keep breathing. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release down. Relax. And one last time. Let us come up a little high this time. So you can maybe sit up and come up into the boat pose. Keep the abdomen tucked in, shoulders relaxed. Hold it. Breathe. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and release down. Turn the head side to side. Feel the vibrations, the sensations in the abdomen. Slow it down, absorb this feeling. Now bend the knees, place the feet down. We'll come up into the Setu Bandhasana. Keep the arms by the side of the body, palms facing down. Feet are just shoulder width apart. As you inhale, lift your buttocks up. Push the abdomen into the back. So the navel drawing in towards the back. Draw it in. Exhale down. So inhale, contract the abdomen and come up lesser. Don't come up too high. Exhale down. Third time, inhale up. Pull the navel in towards the spine. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. One last time. This time if you can hold the ankles, please do that. Inhale, lift your buttocks, come up all the way, making your thighs parallel to the mat. Breathe, chest into the chin. And slowly exhale, come down. Hug the knees into the chest, contract the abdomen. Now come up into the Pavan Muktasana, stretch the chin, nose or forehead to the knees. Slowly bring the head down, place the feet down, separate the knees and the feet just a little wider than your shoulder width. Keep the arms streamlined with the shoulders. Inhale. As you exhale, lower the knees right, turn the head left. Inhale, center. Exhale, knees left, head to the right. A few times we'll repeat. Inhale, center. Exhale, knees right, head left. Inhale, center. Exhale, knees left, head right. Inhale, center. Exhale, knees right, head left. Inhale, center. Exhale, knees left, head right. Inhale, center. One more time. Exhale, knees right, head left. Stay and breathe. Relax the body. Close your eyes. You can also place the right foot on the left thigh and push the left knee down. Relax the body. Breathe. Inhale, come back to the center, feet down. Exhale, lower the knees left, turn the head right and place the left foot on the right thigh. Push the left knee down and breathe. Release the posture. Inhale, come up. Exhaling, bring the knees to the chest. Hug the knees with your hands bring them close to the chest. Release the posture, bring the feet down. Stretch your legs forward and let's relax in Shavasana, the final relaxation. To release the tension from the body, lift both your legs 2 inches off the mat. Tense the legs and drop. Lift your buttocks off the mat, tense the buttocks, drop. Press the lower back into the mat, release, lift your chest up, drop it down, squeeze the shoulders to the ears, push the shoulders down, raise the arms 2 inches, clench your fingers tight, open the fingers, tense your arms and drop. Now make a tight face, release, open your mouth, stretch your tongue out, look to the forehead, stretch your face, release, close the mouth. Shoulders more down, turn the head to the right and gently to the left, back to the center. Make any final adjustment you have to relax the body more. Just find yourself a very comfortable position where you feel relaxation to the whole body from toes to the head. Let's slow down the breathing and absorb the benefits from this practice of yoga for weight loss. Still the body. Keep the awareness on the breath. Let go in the mind. Relax. awareness back to the body. Bring the legs together, arms over the head, interlock the fingers, stretch your arms up, stretch your body, stretch, stretch, release the stretch, bend the knees, turn to one side and please sit up. So we get ready for the practice of alternate nostril breathing. If you like the longer relaxation, you can do a longer relaxation if your time permits. Keep your eyes closed, back straight. Breathe a couple of times. Put your right hand on the abdomen and left hand, left palm on the knee, left knee. We'll do some abdominal breathing. Inhale, the abdomen expands. Exhale, the abdomen moves and contracts. Inhale, the abdomen expands. Exhale, the abdomen contracts. Inhale, abdomen expands. Exhale, the abdomen contracts. Now bring your left hand on the chest. Let's do some thoracic breathing. As you inhale, feel the chest expand along with the abdomen. Exhale, contract the abdomen, relax the chest. Inhale, expand the chest. Exhale, relax. One more time. Inhale, expand the chest. Exhale, relax. Place your hands on the knees. Right hand in Vishnu Mudra, holding the index and the middle fingers of the right hand to the base of the thumb and placing the hand on the right knee. Left hand in Chin Mudra, index finger and the thumb joined together. Take 2 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. We'll do Nadi Shodhan practice. Lock the right nostril with your right thumb. Through the left, inhale, a long breath. Close the left nostril with the ring finger. Exhale through the right. A complete exhalation. Inhale through the right. Close the right nostril. Left, open the nostril, exhale. This is 1 round. We'll do a few rounds. Inhale left. Close the left nostril. Exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Close the nostril. Exhale through the left. Inhale left. Close the nostril. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close the nostril. Exhale left. Inhale left. Close the nostril. Relax the body. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close the nostril. Exhale left. And release the right hand down. Stay with your eyes closed. Relax and breathe. Breathe and relax. Let's wind up the session by chanting Om 3 times. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. I hope you find this session useful. Please do a regular practice with this video to get the desired benefit to the body. If you like the video, please do share it with your loved ones and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being there. Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you.